Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Home with Chromecast, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Home with Chromecast, start by ensuring you have both devices on hand. Make sure your Chromecast is plugged into your TV and powered on. Verify that your Google Home is set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Set Up Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Devices to begin the setup process. Pick the home where you want to add your Chromecast. The app will start searching for devices. Wait for your Chromecast to appear in the list and tap on it. You'll see a code on your TV screen. Confirm that the code matches what you see in the app and tap Yes. Select the Wi-Fi network you want your Chromecast to connect to. Enter the Wi-Fi password, then tap Connect. Once connected, you may be prompted to link your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Google account to the Chromecast. After linking, you can name your Chromecast to make it easier to identify. Now it's time to customize your Chromecast settings if desired. Once setup is complete, you can test casting by playing music or video. Simply open a compatible app on your device and tap the cast icon. Select your Chromecast from the list and enjoy your media on the big screen. You're now ready to use Google Home to control your Chromecast. Just say, "Hey Google, play content on Chromecast name." With these steps completed, you can fully enjoy your Google Home and Chromecast experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.